Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful strawberries. We're going to start off by melting our chocolate. I'm using Sweet Tooth Fairy chocolate from Michaels. I'm using a deli container to melt the chocolate, and once that's melted we're going to color our chocolate. I am using the color Peach from Color Mill. Right here I'm just adding toothpicks on the strawberries on the hard part of the stem. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 different shades, the lighter one, the medium one, and the darker one. And we're gonna be doing 4 strawberries of each shade. We're gonna pull back the stems and dip our strawberry in the chocolate. We're gonna cover the whole strawberry to make it look really beautiful. You're gonna wanna shake off the excess chocolate and pop any air bubbles and remove any little strawberry hairs. Once you dip all 4 strawberries, we're going to add more food coloring. We're going to add a little bit at a time. And then this is going to be our second shade. Once you mix that very well, we're going to dip our 4 strawberries. I also forgot to mention, make sure that you save a little bit of that chocolate of each shade because we're going to be adding drizzle to the strawberries. So we're going to be adding some chocolate to a Ziploc bag so we can make the drizzle. We're going to cut off the end and make sure that you go slow so it looks clean. Somebody asked, how do I keep my chocolate from getting hard on a Ziploc bag? And honestly, I just put it in the microwave for 10 seconds and remelt it. Or you could also just place the little baggie on top of a heating pad and that'll keep it melted. I also wanted to mention that I didn't add any vegetable shortening to the chocolate. It was just the Sweet Tooth Fairy chocolate, and to make it thinner, I just added a block of almond bark. Now we're going to be making some butterflies, and we're going to also be doing the 3 different shades. So this is the lighter shade, and I painted this fondant with the same food coloring that I did for the chocolate. Remember that food coloring is oil-based specifically for chocolate. You do not want to add gel-based food coloring to the chocolate because it will completely split. You're going to want to roll your fondant really thin, and then I'm using this, I don't know if it's a cookie cutter, but it's kind of like a stamp too. And we're going to be making the butterflies in each shade. Now we're going to be adding some gold that I mixed with lemon extract, and we're going to paint the ends of the butterflies. Now we're going to add the strawberries to the box, and we're going to place them on a mini cupcake liner and remove the toothpick. Now I've talked about these boxes before. They're for mini cupcakes. I got them from BRP Box Shop, and I'll be linking them down below for you guys because they're perfect for strawberries. Okay, so now we're going to be adding the butterflies to the strawberries, and each one is going to go with its shape. So this is the lighter one, and then the medium one, and then the darker ones. Okay, so once I added all the butterflies, I'm going to spray with glitter and then add my business card that I edited on Canva and then printed it at Office Max. So let me know if you guys want a video on that. Remember that once you wash strawberries, they start to get mushy. So make sure that you make these the day of or maybe the night before if you really have to. But just to make sure that they're fresh, I would recommend you doing it the same day. To finish off, I'm just going to be adding some gold ribbon. I get mine on Amazon. I'll be linking it for you guys. But let me know if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I add the ribbon to the box because I just feel like it looks so much more elegant. So right here, I'm just adjusting the bow and then I'm going to cut off the ends. But that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will be reading them. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me your like if you enjoy these type of tutorials. I'll see you guys on the next one.